Okay, let's get rid of the brackets first. We'll distribute that 1/2. We can also note that part of simplifying is breaking down what's in the radical sign. So we can do both here maybe in this first step. We can say 1/3, 81, we know the square root of that. So let's just pull that out, and then that just leaves the x by itself. And then our distribution, we have minus 1/2 root x, and a negative times a negative is a positive, and 1/2 times 6 is 3. And there we go. So moving on, 1/3, we know the square root of 81 is 9, root x minus 1/2 root x, so everything else will keep the same for the moment. 9 times 1/3 is just, you could look at it as 9 over 3, so that would just be 3 root x minus 1/2 root x plus 3. A couple ways we could do it from here is we could break it into fractions just to avoid any decimals. You know, we could say 3 minus 1/2 is 2.5, or we could put it into fraction form, whichever way we want to approach this. And so why don't we do that in fraction form, and we'll say we'll make them all common denominator of 2, or at least the first two terms that we're going to bring together. And so we have 3 over 1, and so that would be 6 root x over 2 minus root x over 2 plus 3. And 6 minus 1 is 5 root x's over 2 plus 3. And we could call that a final answer.